This video is the continuation my previous video, which shows the same unit to decap and recap caps of 15 mil centrifuge tubes. For those of you who are interested in viewing that video, please go to my video website, JYH-scientific.com. You can see the visual demo. Now, I want to repeat the same thing, except that this time I'm going to do it for decapping and recapping of another popular centrifuge tubes, which are 50 mil centrifuge tubes. So I have a VWR, you have SASTAT, I have the Evergreen 30 mil, and those three are 50 mil BD Falcon tubes. Now let me describe the unit again. Now this unit is small, portable. It's easy. You can put it inside a safety cabinet, and it's portable. You can move around, and you don't have to depend on the outlet because this is battery operated, lithium-ion battery operated, and rechargeable. And this is the charging port. You can plug into any outlet, and then you can charging it. It's about 2 to 3 hours for charging. Now this main unit can be moved up and down according to the arm length of the operator. So when you set it down, so different people have different arm lengths. So that's one feature. Another feature is this, because it's retaining the cap inside the attachment. So that's what I call cap retaining attachment. And now another nice feature, which is foot pedal switch. So in other words, your both hands are free to operate it, decapping, autoquadding, or solution addition, followed by recapping it. I'll show you in 1 minute. Okay, now let me move this away. Okay, one of our male clinical customer, they want to do, instead of autoquadding or liquid addition, they want to purge with CO2 gases. So if you look at here, this can attach to your sources of CO2, and this end is you can purge your tubes after the cap keep the inside this attachment. Okay, let me do a demo, and let me put this foot pedal switch on the floor. By the way, this is about 3 feet, so it's definitely enough length. All right, let's do the 30 mil Evergreen tubes. Okay, so decapping first. Okay, so it's easy. So you put it here, purging it, and then carefully put underneath it. Okay, so you're done. Okay, let's do another one. Step on the foot pedal switch. Okay, and then purging it, and then you do your capping. Okay, now for those people who are not doing 30 mil Evergreen centrifuge tube, you are doing 50 mil of centrifuge tubes. They are the same thing. You do the decapping, You notice cap remaining inside this attachment. You are doing your auto coating it, and then come back, you do your capping. Okay. Now let me do another one. This is the solid. Another popular one is solid state, 15 mil. Okay, then you do your auto coating it, and come back to do capping. Okay, that's about it.